Okay, listen here. Simplify root of a raised to minus 1 into b into root of b raised to minus 1 into c into root of c raised to minus 1 into a. Okay. You have to try. Last class, what? Last class we did now. What brief you want? Last class, Gautam. Last class continuation only. You didn't check the last class notes. Gautam, you didn't check last class note. This is the continuation of the last two classes. After. Now, why did you check YouTube? You should check with you. Why you will check it? You guys should check it. Okay. So here we know that this one all same order. Look, order 2, order 2, order 2. So we can multiply it. Okay. So in a big root, a raised to minus 1 is 1 by a into b. B raised to minus 1 is 1 by b into c. C raised to minus 1 is 1 by c into a. A cancel, B cancel, C cancel. Answer is what? 1. Finish. For all God, not 0, 1. Everything cancel is how come 0? 3 by 3. How come 0? Shan. Okay. Clear now? Okay, so okay, so next, clear now? Okay, next one. Next question. Okay. Right. 256. 256. Look at here. 256 raised to minus 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. 256 raised to minus 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Okay. 256 raised to minus 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Why you late? Just now came who? This one. C H R I S. Who's that one? What is the name? C H R I S. Who's that? Why late? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll tell. I'll tell. No problem. Okay. Who is Nazreen? Who is Nazreen? Hello. Angelina. Why on the video? Angelina. Nazreen. Why on the video? Nazreen. Angelina. Okay. What about Nazrin? Okay. Look at here this question. Look. Question is 256 whole raised to minus 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Look, I'll show this one. Don't directly simplify. First of all, you find this one. 4 raised to minus 3 by 2 find out. Don't write. I'll give the space. Okay. Look, don't simplify directly. You write 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. That is what? 2 square whole raised to minus 3 by 2. Then 2 cancel. 2 raised to minus 3. That is 1 by 2 cube equal to 1 by 8. This part okay? This part okay or not? Okay. This part clear now? Okay. So now look at here. So we got only this part. Look at here. This part only we got. We got 1 by 8. Okay. And we know 256 is 2 raised to 8. How raised to minus 1 by 8. How 256, the newcomers, latecomers, 256 you can write like this 2, 128, 2, 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. So 8 cancel. So that is what 2 raised to minus 1. Answer is what? 1 by 2. Anybody got? Not 2, 1 by 2. Okay. The minus 4. All you know, look. 4. Listen once again. 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. It is I took here. 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. Instead of 4, I wrote 2 square. Instead of 4, I wrote 2 square. 2 square, 2 raised to square, 2 square into minus 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. So that means 2 raised to minus 3. 2 raised to minus 3 means 1 by 2 cube. Okay. 1 by 2 cube is what? 1 by 8. Okay. Then, now the question. This part 256 is 2 raised to 8. This part minus 1 by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. 2 raised to minus 1. So 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 8. I hope clear now. Okay. To understand this one, last 2 classes background is required. Then only can understand. Okay. Because the continuation of last class. Okay. Where? I consider that man here. Look. Here. This part only. Look at here. This part. This part only. Look. This part only here. This one. Minus only I taken minus only here. But here I didn't take minus. I took only 4 only. Minus only there. Clear now? Right? Because this minus, keep it here. This part, look. Here. Now, only this part only what we got? 1 by 8. Now, 256 raised to minus 4 raised to minus 3 by 2. This part, 256 raised to minus this minus 1 by 8. Then 256 is 2 raised to 8 raised to minus 1 by 8. 8 cancel. 2 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 8. Okay, now clear? Don't ask me such a question, man. See, this question will come in the exam for what? Test. Test is any questions. Gautam, what a question you're asking. 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 23. Gautam. 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 23. 2 raised to minus 3 is what? 1 by 2 cube. Right? Where 23 I wrote. 2 raised to 3. Do one thing. You leave today, then study the last class 2 notes better. You didn't study anything. Okay, I drop you today. You do one thing. You prepare last 2 classes. What is stupid question you asking? 2 raised to 3 is 1 by 23. No, why handwriting? 2 raised to 3 is what? 2 raised to 3 is what? 1 by 23? Okay, next question, right? Right. Simplify 1 4 6 4 1 whole raised to 0.25. 0.25. 1 4 6 4 1 raised to 0.25. 0.25. 0.25. Okay, try this one. Amir, what is the doubt? You have doubt of typing. How come? Tell me the question. One four 6 1 4 6 4 1 1 4 6 4 1 raised to 0.25. 1 4 6 4 1. Okay, you try. I told you this is the continuation of last 2 classes. Last 2 classes portions, those who studied only today can understand. Because today's difficult questions only. Okay, anybody got? Okay, look at here. This one we can prime factorization. 1 4 6 4 1 divided by I think 11. How much you will get? You don't go any other number. Okay, so divided by 1 4 6 4, 1 divided by 11. It is 1, 3, 3, 1. Then 11, how much? 121. Again 11, 11, 11. Okay. So you have to keep on trying 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So 11 raised to 4, all raised to 0.25. We can write 25 by 100. We did some question like that. Correct or no? Then 11 raised to 4, whole raised to 1 by 4. 25 and 100 cancel. 4 cancel. Answer is what? 11. Okay. You got? Okay. Then you guys. Anzil, you got? Wahid. Then one more guy. What is the name? Lohida. Got? Lohid. Okay. Then Akshara. Got? Akshara, you got? Okay, because you may be facing a problem because you have a connection. You finish it before Saturday, finish it all other work. So we have 8 homework there is. Okay, 8 work classes there is finished. So that you have to finish it. Okay, so now this is finished. Next question. Okay, little tough question. Okay, you can try it. Little tough one. Okay, this is little tough one. Okay, listen. X raised to b by x raised to c whole raised to b plus c minus a. Then x raised to c divided by x raised to a whole raised to c plus a minus b. Then x raised to a divided by x raised to b whole raised to a plus b minus c. Once again, x raised to b divided by x raised to c whole raised to b plus c minus x raised to c divided by x raised to a whole raised to c plus a minus b. X raised to a divided by x raised to b whole raised to a plus b minus. Okay, try now. I don't know. Question I gave you. Then you what are you asking? We should multiply or division or like that, like a small kids asking. Okay. The question is all into only. This means nothing here means into. You are in class 9. Okay, not small classes. Okay, try now. All into only. This is the idea. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus. We did last class like this one question. You can see the properly. Okay, look. X raised to b divided by x raised to c whole raised to b plus c minus. X raised to c divided by x raised to a whole raised to c plus a minus b. X raised to a divided by x raised to b whole raised to a plus b minus c. Okay now? Okay, you can okay now? Answer is x raised to minus abc. I don't know. Let me check. Internet problem. Try your solve it. No, wrong. It is wrong part. It's not okay. Let us see you. Try first. What check? What have you checked? Now, x raised to b divided by x raised to c into this all into, okay, see, minus of abc. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I'll do this one. You try now first. Anyone? I'll give the time. You try. Don't just guess. You work out in a book. Okay, anybody got? Sean, you got? What's the answer? Nobody got. One answer correct now. Okay. Minus C is coming correct. Okay. Very clear. Let us see. Okay, I'll show this one. Look at here. Hello. Just listen out. Do you want more time? You want more time or what do you want? More time. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, look at here now. I'll show this one. Look. This one, look from here. X raised to b minus c into b plus c minus a. Agree or not? Wait. I'll write again. Look. This one, x raised to b minus c into b plus c minus a into x raised to c minus a into c plus a minus b. X raised to a plus b, x raised to a minus b into a plus b minus c. Okay. This line okay or not? Everyone, this line okay? Because a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus. X raised to b minus c into b plus c minus. X raised to c minus a into c plus a minus b. X raised to a minus b into a plus b minus. What is Amir? What is x raised to b by x raised to a? What is that? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is what? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. What is that? Amir? A raised to n minus m minus n. What do you ask? A raised to m minus. How come n minus m? Okay, n minus. That all I wrote here. X raised to b minus here. B minus c. This is only here. Okay, here c minus a here. C plus a minus b. X raised to a and x raised to b. A minus b. A plus b minus c. This is only line. Okay, then you have to open everything. Look at here. X raised to b into b, b square plus bc minus ab minus bc. Look, minus c plus minus bc minus c square plus ac. Okay, again x raised to c square plus ac minus bc minus ac minus a square plus ab. Okay, last line. X raised to a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus ab minus what I wrote. Listen here. A into a square. A into b ab. A into c minus ac minus. Okay, b into a minus ab. Then minus b square. We can see this one minus b square plus bc. Okay, then after that add on everything x raised to everything adding b square plus bc minus ab minus bc minus c square plus ac plus c square plus ac minus bc minus ac minus a square plus ab plus a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus b square plus bc. This will minus bc. Everything cancel. We get x raised to 0, that is equal to 1. All got this. Okay. Okay, correct it now. Those not it's simple, but little careful your multiplication. That's all. Okay. What different method? This is the method. Okay. I don't know why, what method you did. Amir guy, send me that method in WhatsApp. Okay. Maybe you did. Okay. What you cannot see the board? Everyone can see the board. Okay. Anyone want to explain? Corner. Okay. Anyone want to explain? Okay. Look at here. Let me look. The question. I'll explain this question. Look. Okay. Here you can see now, right? This line. Okay. So this line you can see, right? Okay. Here this also you can see. Okay. Which is that limit, right? Okay. Look. Question is x raised to b divided by x raised to c all raised to b plus c minus c. Okay. X raised to b divided by x raised to c all raised to b plus c minus. I simplify this part only. Okay. So x raised to b minus c into b plus c minus a. This one equal to x raised to b square plus bc minus ab. Are you okay? B into b, b square, b into c, bc, b into a minus ab minus. Now this one minus bc minus c square plus ac. I hope this part clear or not. The first part clear or not? Could ask doubt. This one clear now? No. Okay, I took only one part, part by part. Okay. So This is the first part. Okay. Second part, x raised to c divided by x raised to a whole raised to c plus a minus b. That is equal to x raised to c plus c minus a into c plus a minus b. Okay. This one, x raised to c into c square plus ac minus bc minus ac minus a square plus ab. Okay, just listen. X raised to c minus a into c plus a minus b. C into c square, c into ac, c into b minus bc minus ac minus a square plus ab. Second line clear or not? Okay, copy these two parts. These two copy now. Okay, now next part, x raised to a divided by x raised to b whole raised to a plus b minus c. This is x raised to a minus b into a plus b minus c. This is equal to x raised to a into a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus b square plus bc. Okay, this is the third part. Anyone did another method? You want to send it me? Okay, I want to check. I don't think any other method. Okay, any other method you use? I want to see. Not now. You copy this one and send me that method. If it is that okay, you can follow. No problem. Your method, if it's clear, sure you use that method. Okay. Now what to do? Now you are adding. Look, when we add this one, number one, number two, number three. When we add, everything cancel. Look, I don't know space here. That's why b square, this b square cancel. Plus bc cancel. Minus ab, this cancel. Minus bc only cancel. Minus c square and plus c square cancel. This will cancel. Everything cancel. X to 0 equal to 1. This is the method. Any other method you did, send me in WhatsApp. Okay. Not now. Your method I want to see. Okay. And the same like copies. I don't think any other method. Okay. Yes, finance is one. One method I got it now. Clear now? The question like this: x raised to a plus x raised to b divided by x raised to a plus something x raised to c. We cannot cancel like this. We cannot cancel that way. Like 2 raised to 3 plus 4 raised to 1 divided by 2 cube. We cannot cancel like this. This against the law. Okay. Who sent me the message? The method that is wrong. Okay, we cannot cancel that. Who sent that one? Name. Okay, okay, listen here, because it's not an offline class. Offline class, I can check all the books. So better we follow our method. Here now, if it is in the class, I can come and check your book, your methods, correct or not. So here there is no facility like that. So better follow this method only. Okay. And here this is a common mistake. Look at here. Suppose 2 plus 4 divided by 2. What is the answer? Can you answer? Here. Okay, 3. Right? Don't. Maybe some guys maybe chance this is cancel. No, we cannot cancel. Okay, 1. Yes. So that how come 1? 5 plus 5 divided by 5. What's the answer? 5 plus 5 divided by 5, how much? 5 plus 5 divided by 5. Come on, see, your issue there is 5 plus 5, how much? 10. 10 divided by 5, how much? 2. You feel this one cancel? No. The same mistake only who sent the answer. Clear now? Are you okay now? First one is here. Okay. Clear now all. So these all basic things you have to learn first. Okay. So next one. Okay. Okay. Try one question now. Okay. (64 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 343 raised to 2 by 3. 64 raised to 64 raised to minus 1. 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 64 raised to 1 by 64 raised to 1 by 3, not minus. 64 raised to 1 by 3 minus 343 raised to 2 by 3. 343 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, you try. Okay. Uh, finish. Okay. Listen here now. Answer this. How many answers there is? Others. What the answer you got? Okay. Look at here. Come on. This one simple. 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus this one 343 how much? 343 7 then 49, right? Are you okay? You check it. You check it. 343 divided by 343 divided by 7 possible or not? Forty-nine. 7 7. So 7 cube divided by 2 by 3. Okay. Then this is what 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 0 minus 3 cancel, right? 7 square. So that what 1 minus 7 square. How much? 1 minus 49 equal to minus 48. It is minus 48. Okay. Okay, now listen, you got the answer. Maybe you did here 4 cube raised to minus 1 by 3, 4 cube raised to 1 by 3. Okay, that's also no problem. Okay, and still you did that way, right? That also no problem. Okay, this is no issue. Look at here. See, maybe you are trying this method. Look at here. Maybe you did 4 cube whole raised to minus 1 by 3 into 4 cube raised to 1 by 3 minus 7 cube raised to 2 by 3. Okay, this is cancelled. This is cancelled. So 4 is to minus 1 into 4 minus 3 cancel 7 square. Maybe you did 4 by 4 minus 7 square. That is 1 minus 49 equal to minus 40. This is all correct. Okay. This is all correct. Okay. Finish all. Okay, now listen here. Up to here, okay or not? Okay. listen, I have one question now. Okay. Answer this name is who's Shayan. Just now send me an answer. Who that? Okay, listen here. You answer this one. Listen me. You have to answer this one. 5 plus 3 into 10 minus 3. How much? How much is Shayan? You answer this one. Only here. Only. How much? 15. Come on, the answer is what? 8 into 7. How much? 56, right? I don't know. Right? Okay. So, my question, can I cancel this one and this one? Anyone? Anyone answer? No, question on. Question open. Can I cancel this plus 3 and minus 3 cancel? Okay, now what he did, listen, I'm just clearing his mistake. Look at here. His mistake. Look at here now. X raised to b minus c into b plus c minus a. What he did? Shine, listen here. This c cancel. Minus c plus c cancel. So don't do any other method. You follow only this one because you have some basic issue there is. You understand that? I'm not blaming you. Try that is good. Okay, but this type of basic level issues you follow what we are going to do. Okay, Shine, understood now? Clear or not? Okay, because don't try for the time being. Don't try any other methods because you have to learn many basic ideas how to add, how to multiply, the law of distributive law and on. Okay, so you follow whatever we did. Okay, that's all. Send me that all correct. Okay. Okay, so next question. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay. You remember a b raised to n only a raised to n into b raised to n. A plus b raised to n not equal to a raised to n plus b raised to n. Remember that. Look at here. A into b raised to n equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. A plus b raised to n not equal to a raised to n plus b raised to n. Okay, careful there. Then use this one. Okay, try this one. Anybody got? Okay, take your time. Your class DPS very rich. Very rich now. School very rich. Oh, 1.1 only. Okay, okay. Ah, okay. And still take time. Okay. Yeah, we'll try. We'll do next classes. You have to bring the geometry box. You have to ready for geometry box. Okay. So now this question. Look at here. 1 plus 8, 27, 64 plus 125. Whole raised to 1 by 2. What is this one? How much is addition? 125 plus 64 plus 60, 27 plus 8 plus 1, 225. Yes, 225, not 224. 225 all raised to 1 by 2. That is 15 square all raised to 1 by 2. Answer is what? 15. I told you in the first class you have to make a table and by heart till square of 30. You know or not? Okay. Are you okay? 1 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. When we add, we get 225. 225 means 15 square. Answer is 15. Okay. Okay. It's finished now, right? So next question. Uh, 4 into 81 whole raised to minus 1 by 2 into 81 raised to 1 by 2 plus 81 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, try this one. 4 into 81 raised to minus 1 by 2 into 81 raised to 1 by 2 plus 81 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, try now. Oh, so many answer. Arsha 2376, 328. Any other answer? Any other answer? 128. 8. Okay, 63. Oh, so they got 63. Okay, let us see. Haripriya, Nia, Inaya, Sean, 247. How many answers there is? Okay. Agastya Patel, Ahmad, Akshaya, Alina, Ansel, Diya Varshini, 747. Jayant, Jees, Lavanya, Mohit, Nidir. Oh, that's a big answer. I mean, 2888. Oh my God. 8. Majority 8 only, right? Jonathan, 256. Ransha, they got? Oh, still doing. Ransha, they got? Inaya, 26568. 7, almost 10. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, I'll give time. Okay, you try. Okay, now I'll show this. Look at here. So listen all. So how many answers there is? Okay, look. 4 into 9 square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. Any objection? 81 is 9 square whole raised to minus 1 by 2 into 9 square whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 9 square whole raised to 3 by 2. This step okay or not, everyone? This step clear? 81 raised to minus 1 by 2 we can write 9 square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. 81 9 square whole raised to 1 by 2, 9 square whole raised to 1 by 2. This is cancelled, this cancel, this cancel. Now 4 into 9 raised to minus 1, 9 plus 9 cube. Okay, 4 by 9, 9 plus 9 cube is 729. So that is 4 by 9 into how much? 738. Okay, this is cancel. How much I cancel? 738 divided by 9. How much? 82. Answer is 328. Answer is 328. Write it down. Okay. Could not make mistakes. Write it down. If you are doubt, tell me. It's a good question. Okay. Okay. Clear or no? Anyone have doubts? Answer was no. Explain again. Look. 81, listen. First of all, 81 we can write 9 square. I wrote this one. This is minus 1 by 2 here. 9 square all raised to 1 by 2 plus 9 square all raised to 3 by 2. That step okay or not? So the first line, just all 81 we can write 9 square. What is the problem of your system? All 81 we change to 9 square, 9 square, 9 square. That's one. Okay. Then 2 cancel. 9 raised to minus 1. These 2 cancel 9. These 2 cancel 9 cube. 4 into 9 raised to minus 1, 4 by 9. 1 by 9. 9 cube is 729. 4 by 9 into 738. Then cancel 82. 82 into 4 is 328. Now okay? You can hear or not? Hello? You can hear? So what is the problem? Others, Saad, what is the problem? Okay, now clear or not? But what's what? Now clear or not? This? Amir, what are you doing, man? Okay, finish. Look at here. Next question. But everyone okay, sir? Rest all guys getting sound. Camera is no. You, sir, you mistaken. The mic is. Look at here. Mic is near me. This is the mic, not in near the camera. Mic is listen just near me. Okay, look, you can see mic. So not the side of camera. Camera there is other way. Do like this. Okay, try this one. 5 into 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus 27 raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Whole raised to 1 by 4. Okay, try this one. I'm not sure about this question. This question is clear. I don't know. I don't know. Let's try now. 16 raised to 1 by 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus 27 raised to 1 by 3. Then 5 into 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus 27 raised to 1 by 3 all raised to 1 by 4. Okay, try now. Jayant. Hello, Jayant, come on. Hey. Okay, what are you doing now? I'm doing this questions. I'm asking different question. For what? You focus on the class. You ask another question and what? What do you want? You keep on asking some questions, unnecessary questions. The test and all, I'll clear what is the portions and all. So far test, any confusion there was? Last test, last homeworks, any confusion? No. Then why are you asking again and again? No need to ask me. I'll keep in our group. Okay. I already said what the test part. The test part is okay, except rationalization. So that means these all questions. The beginning, what we did, that all plus this except after rationalization. That means beginnings we did many questions that are included and rationalization. Rationalization, no need. That means except rationalization means everything. Okay, now look at here this question. Don't ask me any others. Only you focus only your work. Okay. In between there is no question. Okay. Look, 5 into this is 2 raised to 4. Right or no? This is, look at here, 16 raised to 1 by 4 is 2 raised to 4 all raised to 1 by 4. That is 2. 27 raised to 1 by 3 is 3 cube all raised to 1 by 3. Cancel is 3. Come back here. 5 into 2 plus 3 all raised to 1 by 4. That is what? 5 into 5 all raised to 1 by 4. So 5 square all raised to 1 by 4. Cancel. 5 raised to 1 by 2. 5 raised to 1 by 2 is root 5. You have to explain again. Look, I'll show this one. Listen here. Look, 16 raised to 1 by 4. We can write 2 square all raised to 2 raised to 4 all raised to 1 by 4. So this is cancel. Answer is 2. 27 raised to 1 by 3 is 3 cube all raised to 1 by 3. Cancel. Answer is 3. Back to question. 5 into 2 plus 3 all raised to 1 by 4. That is 5 into 5 all raised to 1 by 4. That is 5 square all raised to 1 by 4. That is 5 to cancel 5 raised to 1 by 2. Or we can write root 5. That's also no problem. Okay. Okay. Are you okay now? 4th root of 25. 4th root of 25 is what? How 4th 25 here? Okay. No. Yeah, that's only 5 square now. That is only 5 square. Okay. Okay, such a argument, there is no argument like that. 5 into 5, 25, everybody knows. Even KG student also knows that one. Why are you typing and wasting the time? Okay, it's not a good argument. You're asking whether it is 5 into 5 is 25 or not. Everybody knows. Okay, even my cat also knows this one. 5 into 5, how much? First of all, you understand you are in class 9, not in KG level. Okay. So next question, right? 9 raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 into 2 raised to 0 minus 1 by 81 whole raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, one of the students asked me this is which book. This is, I cannot say which book. I have combined. You cannot find out any books like this. Okay. Around 8 books I have. From there, we combine the questions. Plus, in addition, we make our own questions. Okay, maybe you notice this chapter itself. One chapter itself more than 200 over now. Anyone? Maybe those who are writing the serial number, we can see that more than 200 questions. You should write like that. Each chapter 1, 2, 3 starting. Next chapter 1 again 1, 2, 3 like that. So easy to locate your questions and all. Don't start every day 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Okay. Try this one now. You keep your book clean. Don't write anything on the margin. Okay. When you come for the class, regular classes, when I see, I'll take your book. The book will be confiscated. Then again, you have to write everything. So careful that. This is the rule. Okay. You should write very clear. I don't want anything other than the question number in margin. I don't want to see any calculations in margin. If you any books like that, maybe you finish 100 pages clearly. 101st page, something you did in margin, I'll take that book. The book will be confiscated, then you won't get it. So you have to write again. Okay. So look at here this question. Come on. Okay. 3 square whole raised to 3 by 2 minus, what is 2 raised to 0? 2 raised to 0 is what? 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 9 square all raised to minus 1 by 2. It's cancel. 3 cube minus 3 minus this one 9 square all raised to 1 by 2. Correct or no? Going up. 1 by 9 square, we can write 9 square all raised to 1 by 2. Which rule? A by B raised to minus 1 equal to B by A raised to 1. Like that. Okay. 27 minus 3 minus this is cancel 9. What answer? Answer is 15. Who all got? Answer is 15. 1 5, not 115. 15. Okay. Okay, corrected now. Oh, Arunesh. What is the name? Ayush, right? Who's Satyansh brother? Satyansh brother. Yeah, you Abhishek brother. Satyansh brother who? Last year studied here, Satyansh. What is the name? There is Divyansh. That's you. Ah, Divyansh. Okay, okay. And who's Alicia's sister? Okay, some answer is coming 12. How? Look at here. 9, we can write only 3 square. 3 square alpha again. Look at here. 9 3 square whole raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 into 1. When you small, we can directly write 2 raised to 0. Don't write here. Directly 3 minus 1 by 9 square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. This one, okay, cancel. Okay, so 3 cube minus 3 minus 9 square whole raised to 1 by 2, right? This minus 1 by 2 is going up. So 27 minus 3, 2 cancel, not 92, 9 square, okay, minus 9. Answer is 50. Okay, now clear now? Okay, those who are not getting, you can check the, I'll send you the YouTube link, so you can check again, okay? You can study like that also, okay? Every classes, I'll send you the link. Okay, I hope now clear. Sean, you got? Not Sean, I don't know, I forgot the name. You did different way. What different way this one? Come on, I want to see that. I told you those who are doing different way, I want to see because it's not offline class. It's offline, I can check. If you did and then different wrong method, okay. If it is different method, it's not okay, no problem. But we can send it. Not now, later. Okay. Come on. Next one. Um, 27 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 27 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 27 raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 27 raised to 2 by 3. 27 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 27 raised to minus 1 by 3, then 27 raised to 1 by 3, 27 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Anybody got? I don't know. I don't have answer. I have to do it. I have to check. Nobody answer here now. Okay, let us see. Priyansh, that is correct. Okay, Priyansh. No, Priyansh. You did not just now you said me. That is correct. Okay. So look at here. Now this question. Let us see. Here 27 raised to this one actually 3 cube raised to minus 1 by 3 into 3 cube raised to minus 1 by 3, 3 cube raised to 1 by 3 minus 3 cube raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Cut, 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 cut. 3 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to 1 minus 3 square. Okay. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 3 minus 9. Okay. 1 by 9 into minus 6. What? Minus 2 by 3. Answer is minus 2 by 3. Once again, I'll tell you. You want to explain again? Anyone want to explain? Okay. Listen here. I'll explain here. Listen. These all exam point. These all important questions. Okay. Look. 27 we can write 3 cube whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Again 3 cube raised to minus 1 by 3. 3 cube whole raised to 1 by 3. 3 cube whole raised to 2 by 3. Cut, 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 cut. Okay. 3 raised to minus 1. 3 raised to minus 1. 3 minus 3 square. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, 3 minus 9. That is equal to 1 by 9 into minus 6. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay, copy fast. Okay, I have finished now. Next question, right? $25 raised to 5 by 2, okay, into 729 raised to 1 by 2. 25 raised to 5 by 2, 729 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 125 raised to 2 by 3. 27 raised to 2 by 3. 8 raised to 4 by 3. Okay, find out. 25 raised to 5 by 25 raised to 5 by 2, 729 raised to 1 by 2, 125 raised to 2 by 3, 27 raised to 2 by 3, 8 raised to 4 by 3. Okay, 25 raised to 5 by 25 raised to 25 raised to 5, 25 raised to 5 by 2, 729 raised to 1 by 2, 125 raised to 2 by 3, 27 raised to 2 by 3, 8 raised to 4 by 3. Okay, try now. It is all plus only, everything plus. Okay. Once again, 25 raised to 5 by 2 into 729 raised to 1 by 2, 125 raised to 2 by 3, 27 raised to 2 by 3, 8 raised to 4 by 3. Okay. You're trying or not? Listen here. This one, this part 5 square, all raised to 5 by 2. How much this one? 729. What is the square root? 729. 27. Okay. 27. This all in the table. Raised to 1 by 2 divided by 5 cube whole raised to 2 by 3. 3 cube whole raised to 2 by 3. 2 cube whole raised to 4 by 3. Okay. Now you simplify. Okay. Try now. Akshara, you getting or not? Maybe you face problem because you have last classes you missed now. This law of exponent, you getting or not? Because this is the last two classes note. Yeah, you got? Yeah, Gulf India, right? Okay. Okay, see, listen here. Next, when you write the test, that means tomorrow. Oh my God, Priyansh got 6,000. Oh, 6,000. I don't know. I'm not sure about. Anyway, I'll check it. Look at here. So, Ame, you got 5930. Oh, so it's such a big number. Okay. Anyway, I'm not sure about. I don't have this answer with me. Okay, I'll work out here. Okay. Look at here. 25. Listen. 25 raised to 5 by 2 equal to 5 square whole raised to 5 square. Cancel. Answer is 5 raised to 5. How much? 5 raised to 5. Okay. Keep it there. Later we can simplify. Okay. Then 7 to 9 whole raised to 1 by 2. That is 27 whole square whole raised to 1 by 2. That is 27. Okay. 125 whole raised to 2 by 3. This is 5 cube whole raised to 2 by 3 equal to 5 square. Okay. Then again 27 raised to 2 by 3. 3 cube whole raised to 2 by 3. Cancel 3 square. 8 raised to 4 by 3. That is 2 cube raised to 4 by 3. Cancel 2 raised to 4. I hope everyone okay. This one okay. Up to here okay. This is okay or not? Okay, better write the steps. If you are smart, you can directly write, no problem. Okay. Now, here 5 raised to 5 into 729, that is 27, divided by this one 5 square into next 3 square, right? This one 3 square into 2 raised to 4. Okay. Where? Yeah, listen, I'll do mine. Okay, this is cancel 5 cube. This is cancel 3 divided by 2 raised to 4. This much only? Sure? Such simple one. Okay. 125 into 3 divided by 16. Right? How much that? 375 divided by 16. Anybody got? 375 by 16 is it right? I don't know. Any calculation, you check it. 375, 79, 375. 125 into 3. 375 by 16. Everyone got this. Okay. So now everyone got 5,000 and or 6,000 and correct it now. Okay. You understand now? Exponential form, don't do it. Okay. Yeah. Better finalize the answer. Okay. Because very simple now. 5 cube, 125. 3 divided by 2 raised to 16. What the problem? Are you okay? Better step by step, then you won't make mistakes. Okay. Next question will come. Wait. Let's finish all. Okay, so next one. Okay, why can't you write? I told you, Halim, don't ask me such a silly question. 27 is, we can 3Q, we can write, you write. What is the issue? You can write no. Why you ask such a simple question? It's just like some guys said, okay, 5 plus 3, 8. When I said, no, 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 5 plus 3, not 8. 6 plus 2, only 8. Like that only. Everybody knows 3 cube is 27. Then why are you asking this much time? You're wasting the time. Okay, this is, we can ask this in class 4, class 3. Okay, you are in class 9. So, you know, in the beginning, listen, in the beginning, first day, I told you what, make a table, all squares table, till 30. Next day, I said, you try 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, this is all, root of 12, what is our 2 root 3, root of 8, 2 root 2, root of 18, 3 root 2, root of 20, 2 root 5, root of 24, 2 root 6, root of 29, 3 root 3, right? So then you become smart. Others find, like suppose 27, 27 square. Those who by heart directly writing 729. That is the benefit. You can save the time. Time management is very important thing. Within the time, you have finished it. That means you have take the shortest method. Clear now? Everyone, clear or not? You have to learn how to learn. Okay. Now, first you learn how to learn. Easiest way, and that means don't skip the steps. Okay. So the advantage is up to 30 by heart. 99% of questions below 30 scores only. We noticed now so far we didn't get any number above 900. All squares below 900 only. Directly we can write. Okay. Don't ask me such a question whether sir can write 2 square equal to 4. Okay, you write like KG students asking, sir, can I go to the washroom? Okay, go. Why asking? Don't ask me such a. You will be smart potential students. Okay, you decide it. Okay, 3 cube equal to 27. Everybody knows. Okay, any technical issues, your steps issues, you ask me. Or you send me a message. I'm not talking to only one student. I'm talking to general case. If you have doubts, send me WhatsApp. I'm 24 hours online. Okay. Except now this class. Now after this one, I have class from 4:15 to 6:15. I have other class. So that full time I'm online. Anytime, night, day, every time. I don't have office. Not going to office. Some work only here sitting. Okay. It's clear now. Okay. This is enough today. Now next question we'll do in next class. Clear now, right? Okay. Ready for the test? Up to here only test. Test time tomorrow sharp 9 p.m. Not 9:1. Okay, not 9:1. 9 as per my clock. Now my clock is 3:42 p.m. Not based on your clock. Okay. Okay. Listen. My time is you adjust. You should adjust with my time. 3:42 p.m. now. Okay. Question I'll decide it. 9 sharp 9, we have to finish within the time, we have to finish it. And make it vertical type, send it. In the paper, you should write your name in capital letters. Not, okay, I have to read your name in capital letter, okay, your school, write in capital letter. Clear now? Otherwise, I won't check it. You have to write the position. Okay. Okay then, okay.